Hello, thank you for joining us as we discuss the Nutritional Sciences degree program. As a reminder, my name is Stratton Lee, and I want to introduce you to your nutritional science advisor.
Thanks, Stratton. Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Ekstrom. Most students call me Dr. Ekstrom, or Dr. E is fine too. I am the Nutritional Sciences academic advisor, and I also teach classes in the major, so I have a double role here. I've worked at MSU for 17 years, and I've worked with nutritional sciences advising for 7 years of that time. So I'll be here for you during your time at MSU, and I can help you with questions about your major, course planning, getting involved on campus, setting goals for your future, things like that.
Okay, thanks, Dr. Ekstrom. How do you describe this major and field of study to students? And share generally why students might pick this major over some similar areas of study.
Yes, so I should start by letting you know that there are 3 different majors in our department. One that deals with food science and 2 majors that deal with human nutrition. So for students who want to focus on human nutrition, there are 2 different majors at MSU, either dietetics or nutritional sciences. And these 2 majors are sometimes confused. If you're interested in a career as a dietitian or a registered dietitian nutritionist, RD or RDN are the titles, dietetics would probably be the best choice for you. Dietitians often work in the healthcare environment, giving patients dietary advice, promoting healthy eating habits, and developing specific diets for people who are facing various health challenges. So if you realize that you're interested in dietetics, let us know, let me know, and we'll connect you with Mrs. Jill DeJagger, who is our dietetics advisor. So in contrast, nutritional sciences, which I work with, that would be the major for students who want to study nutrition, but they're not necessarily interested in becoming, a career as a dietitian. As you probably know, many of the health problems that we have in the United States and also globally are related to lifestyle factors such as sedentary lifestyle versus being active and what kind of nutrition we're getting. The nutritional sciences major emphasizes prevention. And so it's a really great foundation for pre-health students understanding that a lot of chronic disease issues related to lifestyle are big health problems that you'll see in their population. So many of our nutritional sciences students are pre-med, or they're interested in dental school, nursing programs, physician assistant programs, public health, health communication, things like that. So this major is a good alternative to other common pre-health majors, such as human biology or physiology, for example. And also the course requirements overlap. So the nutritional sciences major overlaps in the courses pretty tightly with some other majors like human bio or physiology. So often we'll have students who are doing double majors in nutritional sciences and another biological sciences major.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Ekstrom. Are there any concentrations or tracks that the program offers?
Yes, so we have 3 different concentrations in our major: biomedical molecular nutrition, public health nutrition, and global nutrition and health. I encourage any incoming students to look over these 3 concentrations, look over the requirements before scheduling your appointment with me during NSO. The 4-year plans for these 3 different tracks differ by quite a bit depending on which concentration you're going to choose. So it's helpful to look at that ahead of time. Of the 3, the biomedical and molecular nutrition is the most science heavy. This concentration is going to be the usual choice for students who are pre-med, pre-dental, pre-pharmacy, based on entry requirements into those graduate programs for the kinds of classes they want students to have completed. So this concentration includes our nutrition classes. It also includes 4 semesters of chemistry, upper level biochemistry, a year of physics, and then you can choose among a range of other biological sciences classes like anatomy, immunology, medical ethics, things like that. So, so the course requirements for this track match really well with the background that you need to take the MCAT or to apply to medical or dental school. So that's the first one. Our other 2 concentrations, the public health nutrition and global nutrition and health, those are more recently added to the program. Those have fewer core science classes, but still some. And that leaves more space for students to integrate additional classes on nutrition and on other health topics. Um, so the public health nutrition concentration is a really good match for students who want to work in public health fields. And that's something we're learning about now so much because of what's going on with COVID-19. So public health, instead of focusing on treating the one patient in front of you, is thinking about how we can improve health in larger populations in the community, how to reduce disease, how to make people more resilient. So this concentration includes classes in public health nutrition, some small classes with our faculty. It includes more statistics, some data analysis, and then other classes that are addressing important modern public health topics that we're seeing in the world. The global nutrition and health concentration has more of an international health focus. The classes in that track address nutrition classes that are relevant to working with populations globally. So not only in the US, but maybe in Africa, in Asia, in Latin America. What are some of the health challenges there? So we include classes on international development. We look at nutrition needs during pregnancy and during early stages of life, super critical time for good nutrition. We look at food cultures, health disparities, and also teach you about the different kinds of organizations that are delivering aid, nutrition aid, food aid, health aid, globally.
Whoa. So this all sounds really interesting, actually, and exciting for students who are interested in nutrition, health careers, disease prevention, and in improving global and public health. How many students are in the major?
So this is a growing major. Right now we have over 220 students enrolled in the major. Of that group, about 60% are in the biomedical pre-health concentration, 25% are choosing our public health track, and 15% are in our global nutrition and health